Hello my friends! What do you know about sequins? Let's start with the fact that the history of sequins has several thousand years. The first sequins were made of various materials, including fish scales. Then people learned how to process mother-of-pearl shells and make sequins and beads from metal. Earlier, the sequins were mostly round, now they have many different shapes and sizes. For example, the size can be from 2 to 15 centimeters in diameter. There are also various shapes: round, oval, square, and many others. There are sequins in form of a drop, a leaf, a feather, a heart, butterflies, various types of flowers, and many others. The color scheme of sequins is also very large. My favorite sequins are large mother-of-pearl sequins in the form of flowers. If you love sequins and want to learn more about them, subscribe to my Patreon. There are a lot of interesting things from the world of embroidery. Join me, we will fun together!